Hare Krishna. So, Prabhupada says uh, that one must not be a beggar. So, what is a beggar? What does he mean by that? He says that um, people, when they pray to the Lord, they say in the prayers, "I am a beggar at your door." But in reality, they feel that they are very much, they have everything and they don't need the Lord. So, internally, the attitude is, I have everything, I have no need to be, you know, I mean, I don't have to look to others, not even God for that purpose. But externally, while praying, they say, I'm a beggar at your door. So, um, Arjun depended on Krishna completely. Therefore, he was successful and victorious. And he was a Kshatriya prince. Now, um, Arjun was a Kshatriya, and he should not have become a Brahman beggar, isn't it? A Kshatriya cannot be a beggar. Neither a Brahman cannot be. Neither a Brahman. He cannot be a Vaishya. So this is the caste system. But you can work as a cobbler and at the same time claim to become a Brahmin. That is not allowed. Formerly, there used to be kings who used to see whether a Brahmin is acting like a Brahmin, otherwise he will be stopped. So the Brahmin would be punished and he would be, removed from his duties in the ancient times. Then he will be designated as he's working, according to the then he would be given a status. So that was the duty of the king, to see that everyone is employed and according to his own profession. So it was the duty of the king to see everyone must be employed. A Brahmin must be working like a Brahmin, of course, a Kshatriya like a Kshatriya, or Vaishya like a Vaishya, and that is how it was, that the system was. So, so that is about that's about the question. There are 12 authorities, Bara Mahajan. So Prahlad, Janako, Bhishmo, Balir, Vaya, Sakir, Vayam. So Bhishma is not an ordinary person. He said, Katham Gurun Ahatwahi Mahanubhavan Shreyo Bhoktum Bhaikshyam Apiha Loki. I do not like to kill my guru. What is so great? And my grandfather. Better I become a beggar. So Kshatriya's princeness is not to beg. A Brahmin cannot beg. A Brahmin can accept charity, but Kshatriya cannot accept any charity from anyone else. He cannot come down to business like Vaishyas. That is not. Everyone should stick to his own principle. If this is followed, then it is a secular government. A government must see whether you're claiming as a Brahmin, whether you're actually discharging your duties as a Brahmin. That is secular government. And Chaturvarnam Maya Shrishtam. So, Chaturvarnam Maya Shrishtam. That is government's duty. Hare Krishna.